it's higher than 440. It's better to have it little higher than lower than 440. I will let the owner know about it. Hello, today I'm going to tune this piano here. The Bohemia is the name of the piano. I haven't been tuning this piano before, but I try to find out how the sound is. The sound is hard and a lot out of tune, so I have a lot of things to do. I think so. A lot of notebooks on here, some other things on the piano. I can show you, this here is everything on the piano. So I have to take everything off so I can open it. Usually I like to take a photo of the things on the piano, so I can put it back after tuning or fixing, but this is almost impossible. But I have a system to figure it all out. It's called the modern Viking method. I'm just joking. Well, then we can open the piano. I'm going to put the temperament felt here in between the strings, the red one here I have here in my hands. Check the pitch, how low or high it is. We have those way, wow. It's lower than A440. Oh, sorry, it's higher than 440. So usually if it's a little higher than 440, I leave it there. It's better to have it a little higher than lower than 440. So. I got a call and forgot to press record for the tuning. Maybe it's because of all the books I was lifting. At least you can hear how it sounds before and after the tuning. I've been tuning this piano now, but the sound is very hard here in the piano. I've been looking at the hammers. We need to shape the hammers and also to voice it. I'm not going to do it now. I will let the owner know about it. And maybe I come here maybe in 1-2 weeks and we'll voice this hammer, shape them and voice them. We find how it's going to sound now. It's hard but better than before. They're hard, but we can play soft. In this grand piano, the Bohemia piano from Czech Republic, shape the hammerheads, voice the hammer needle it a little, and the sound will be softer, and this piano can be very nice. If I have to voice it, I take another video and show you how I'm gonna do it. Then we can compare the sound in the piano before and after the voicing. Like this one is very hard. A lot of I have done my best, and the client is not willing for me to shape the hammers or voice the piano later, so I will leave it like this. But I thank you for watching. I am doing this video for you, and yeah, bye bye.